Hey guys, if you're the proud owner of a Canon G7X Mark II camera, just like this one, then you've probably noticed that it is making a autofocusing sound just like this one. And this is me talking into the G7X microphone while I'm doing erect focusing, just to show you that once we clean up the audio, the voice will not get affected almost at all. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this problem in post-production. For this fix, you'll need two things. Number one, you need the Adobe Suite. More specifically, you need Premiere Pro and Audition. And the second thing is you need to download a file that I put in the description, which we'll be using in Audition to clean up the audio. So let's jump right into Premiere. Okay, so once you downloaded the file from the video description, open Premiere, put in the clip from the G7X Mark II and put it into the timeline. After that, just select the clip, right click, go to Edit Clip in Adobe Audition. This will open up Audition. Now double click on the timeline to select the whole clip, go to Effect, Noise Reduction and select Noise Reduction Process. Here you'll have to load the file that we just downloaded, so select this button, find the file that you downloaded and open it. After that, select Apply and Audition will clean up your audio. Here just Ctrl and S to save it and you can close Audition and go back to Premiere. After that, you can just preview your audio and you'll see that the audio is cleaned up. And there you go, an easy and fast fix in post-production. No need to sell this little camera. So if you liked the video and if it helped you out, please subscribe and hit the like button. And also let me know down in the comments if this fix helped you or if you had any problems. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.